Next on Eyewitness News.
Protecting Biloxi's beaches and barrier islands. I'm Katie Moore. I'll have a full report on trying to get ready for the potential of the oil spill on the Gulf Coast.
Weather conditions may be a big factor in determining where and when the oil slick makes landfall. Carl Arredondo will explain. Plus,
it was a landmark Chinese drywall ruling in federal court, but the question today, when will the money come? I'm Doug Mouton in New Orleans with that story coming up.
From WWL TV, the spirit of Louisiana, this is Louisiana's news leader. Channel 4's Eyewitness News at 6.
in a landmark federal court decision late Tuesday, a judge ruled in favor of a Mandeville couple suing the company that manufactured the toxic Chinese drywall in their home.
The question today, when can the Hernandez family expect to get the money to repair their home? North Shore Bureau Chief Doug Mouton reports.
The Hernandez's home is off Highway 59 between Mandeville and Abita Springs, a post-Katrina construction. It looks nice, but is filled with toxic Chinese drywall.
We do have a huge sense of relief.
Today, Tatum and Charlene Hernandez and their attorneys talked about yesterday's landmark federal court decision.
Because of the Hernandez family, we now know what you're entitled to.
A federal judge awarded the Hernandezes $164,000 to rip out the walls and replace damaged wiring and appliances, plus attorney's fees.
We're happy with the amount. We feel like it's fair.
It sets the standard at a little over $80 a square foot, a number attorneys say should apply to others with Chinese drywall.
We believe that this is a solid decision and could be and should be predictably and reliably applied to other properties.
We're just hoping to get some resolution, not only for us, but for everyone.
From a precedent-setting standpoint, this court case was huge, and it's big for the Hernandez family. The problem is they won in court, but they don't know when they'll actually get paid. The company they sued, Knauf, or KPT, is a German company which manufactured the defective drywall in China. Many other homeowners on the North Shore, like Kent Maycutt, have Knauf sheetrock as well. Steve Herman said he is cautiously optimistic Knauf will pay soon, but says it could take more legal hurdles to make that happen.
This drywall manufactured by KPT has stolen so much from us already, and we're just dealing with it the best that we can.
The Hernandez family says all they can do is wait for the money to help them rip everything out and start over. Doug Mouton, Channel 4 Eyewitness News.
Steve Herman says more than a dozen Chinese drywall cases will go to court in the next few months. After those cases are decided, he says a mass settlement could come.
Live in HD from WVUE TV New Orleans, this is Fox 8 News at 9.
A federal judge ruled in favor of a Mandeville family whose home was ruined by Chinese drywall. Judge Eldon Fallon awarded the Hernandez family more than $164,000. $136,940 for fixing the home and $5,537 for replacing personal property. The ruling requires drywall manufacturer KPT to gut the family's home, remove and replace all the electrical wiring, plumbing, appliances, and heating and air conditioning systems. Today, the family encouraged other drywall victims to hang in there.
We know what you're going through. We know it's a lot of stress on your family. But hopefully this is a step in the right direction, and we'll get this resolved for everybody.
The family had asked for more than $200,000 in their lawsuit, but called the judgment fair. KPT's attorney says the company may appeal.
From WNOL TV, this is NOLA 38 News at 9.
Another Chinese drywall verdict. Last week, a federal judge awarded 7 Virginia families more than $2 million to get the tainted drywall out of their houses. Now, the judge has awarded $164,000 to gut a Mandeville family's house. Drywall maker Knauf Plasterboard Tianjin has to fork over the money.